Yo guys, so if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you've heard of what Squid Game is, and let's face it, if you haven't heard of it at all, you must have been living under a rock over the last few months. But Squid Game has been a massive hit on Netflix. It's been top of trending for ages. It's going to be their biggest series so far. Everything's going up for Netflix. Subscribers are coming just purely for this, and it's been a monster hit. And with that in mind, there's a hell of an opportunity for money to be made for you guys off this massive trend at the moment. What ways can money be made off Squid Game? So first off, you've got dropshipping. So you go to sites such as Alibaba, AliExpress, pick up, you can get these masks, these boiler suits that they have that are very popular in the show. You can get them for sort of $2 to $5, and then you've obviously got a choice between dropshipping them. So you basically take them somewhere else, such as Facebook, sell them higher, and then you don't get involved in the shipping, or you can actually just buy them in bulk and then sell them off yourself. Obviously at the moment it's becoming very popular that this is going to be a massive outfit for Halloween, so you might not have time now to get on the trend for this Halloween, but I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people that's still to watch Squid Game, and it's still going to be very popular, and people are still going to want things such as the masks going forward. The next way is basically just doing something Squid Game theme on your social media or on your YouTube or whatever. Video is always the best with things like this, but the algorithms are working very much in favour of Squid Game at the moment, and all the content at the moment is all about the challenges that they have to do in the series. So you're seeing things like that, cutting out the shapes on the pieces of candy, the red light green light game, tug of war, all things like that. If you're making video content on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube about that, the algorithms are going to be pushed in your favour. You can get people drawn into your content, and then you can start linking them to other places where you might be selling things or trying to get sign up for things. So then the next one is more kind of probably YouTube based, and that's filming reaction videos. So where you react to the series and you sort of literally watch it, film your reaction. Videos are very popular at the moment relating to Squid Games. There's a lot of videos that are kind of doing theories of sort of what hidden meanings there are in the series and what things people may have missed. So if you look into it and you're that in depth and you spot anything, if you post a video to say you're revealing something that people don't know about, they're going to be very drawn into watching your video. And again, once you get them watching your video, they're going to see more of your videos. You're going to get your links in your description looked at more, and obviously if you're selling a product or something, you're getting a lot more people coming to seeing your pages. And then of course there is the potential of a series 2. So you might want to film a video about what your predictions for the next series are, and keep in mind when the next series is coming up, it's going to be another massive hit, and there'll be another wave of things that you can get on to make money from this. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, guys. Get out there, start making money from Squid Game. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are and what you might have done to profit from this trend at the moment. And make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.